on OK. Click on OK.
Desktop share చేయండి సార్.
Today concept is advanced concepts. Today onwards we will discuss only advanced concepts. Nearly 40 concepts we will discuss. So very important concept to advanced concepts. So after already we learned XPath and property file. Using that information you can work with any application. There is no limitation, there is no restrictions. Without knowing, without taking Akil support, without taking Google support, you can work with any application comfortably. Okay. Today concept, advanced concepts. First concept, finding coordinates. Finding coordinates. Finding coordinates. To the first concept of finding coordinates. So for example, we have an application. We have one application. Each and every application, that means application means it is a web application. So each and every web application having one unique location, that is called XPath. Already we know. Each and every web application having one unique location, that is called XPath. So not only XPath, each and every web element are having one X coordinate and Y coordinate also. X coordinate and Y coordinate also. So we need to find X coordinate and Y coordinate. In the 10th class we learned something. This is X coordinate, this is Y coordinate. So this X coordinate, this X coordinate, this X coordinate is same. This Y coordinate, this Y coordinate, this Y coordinate same. So what is the use of this concept, sir? What is the main use? So for example, customer want one application. He want one button in the middle of the page. He's saying X coordinate and Y coordinate. He's saying X coordinate and Y coordinate. Exactly it is located or not. He's saying 212 and 312 something. Exactly located or not. How we know? Using this concept only. Finding coordinates concept only we can get it. Finding coordinates. How to find X coordinate and Y coordinate. So first concept, how to find X coordinate and Y coordinate. Just now I finished that class. Just online class. Just now, 1 minute back, I completed this same class. Once again, same to same class. WebDriver, WD equal to new Firefox driver. If you want to work with any application, WD dot get HTTP google.com. Compulsory. If you write, just you can get it. Okay. I want to find out search button XPath. So point P. It is a predefined class. Point is a predefined class. Point P equal to WD dot find element by dot XPath. I'm giving one web element XPath. Which one XPath you can give it to? Dot get location. Get location. System dot out dot println P dot X What is X already? Selenium knows. P dot SYSO control space P dot Y. Point is a predefined class, just like Firefox WebDriver. It is a predefined class. We need to import the statements. Point. What do you open QA Selenium? So now we can get the X coordinate and Y coordinate. I'm going to Google search XPath I need. I want to find out Google search XPath exactly where it is located. Save, click on run. XPath. Google search XPath I am taking. Hmm. Just. Hmm. If you want import the data or export the data, that time only we should mention the double slash. Sir, property file already I told you, sir. Compulsory we should, if you want import the data or export the data, we should use double slash R, not in XPath. Console 343 394. X coordinate is 343, Y coordinate is 394. X coordinate is 343, Y coordinate is 394. That is the first concept too. Easy concept too. Simple concept too. Over. First concept is over. 42 minus 1, 41. Remaining concepts 41. 41. Advanced concepts we have 42. So one concept is finished. Hmm. So exactly. For example, customer he want one button in the middle of the page. Exactly it is located or not. Based on the customer requirement, developer developed or not. So how we know? So we can't take any scale and we can't find out. So we will use this concept. Exactly located or not. X coordinate and Y coordinate. Output it will show you X coordinate and Y coordinate. First concept is over. Satish garu, okay? Sir,
Yes, sir. చెప్పండి.
first concept over.
Continue.
Okay?
Okay.
Right.
It will, sir, actually, it will calculating the Google search place where it is exact.
Exactly where it is located.
343.
343,
Okay.
390 something. 394.
Okay. What? Okay.
X
Okay.
coordinate is 343, Y coordinate is 394. Exactly it is located or not. So customer want that application. So he is saying something 250 and 250. X coordinate is 250, Y coordinate is 250. Exactly it is located or not. So how we know? So we can't take scale and we can't find out. So compulsory we should use this concept only.
Okay.
No. Developers only they can do. Only we can find the exactly location or right. Second concept, how to get the how to maximize the window. Whenever you are working with any application, so it will be minimize mode only. It will be minimize mode only. So how to maximize the window? Second concept, how to maximize the window. So I'm running. So see that window. It will be minimize mode only. Second concept, how to maximize the window. Small concept I will teach you today. Hmm. It will be minimize mode only. It will be minimize mode only. Whenever you are working with the Selenium always it will open in minimize mode only. Okay, it will open minimize mode only. Minimize. So how to maximize the window? Second concept, how to maximize the window. Next, how to maximize the window. WD dot manage dot window dot maximize. It will maximize the window. Save, click on run. First it will open in minimize mode. After that it will maximize the window. So there is no minimize option in Selenium. This is the very important question in Selenium. There is no. So first it will open minimize mode. After that it is maximized. So there is no minimize mode in minimize option in Selenium. There is no minimize option. There is no minimize option in Selenium. Oh, see here. Dot M. Only maximize we have. There is no minimize option in Selenium. Why? Because it is on defaultly it will be minimize mode. Right. Third concept. How to get the title of the page. Third concept, how to get the title of the page. Third concept, how to get the title of the page. String s equal to wd dot get title. SYSO control space yes. We can get the title of the page. We can get the title of the page. Third concept, how to get the title of the page. String s equal to wd dot get title. We can get the title of the page. We can get the title of the page. Save, click on run. Third concept, how to get the title of the page.
ఆల్రెడీ విండో ఓపెన్ అయినట్టుంది చూడండి.
No, 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 no. It will open. Now it will open. First it will minimize mode, after maximize, and we can get the title. Title is Google, title is Google, title is Google. Okay. Next, fourth concept, how to get the page source. How to get the page source. Just string s1 equal to wd dot get title, get page source, get page source. Page source means source code, sir. Developers, they wrote some code. What is that code? I want to get it. S5, S4 control space. S1. Save. Click on run. What they wrote. What they wrote, we can get it. Developers, what they wrote code. That code we can get here. Now this is the source code they wrote. So see how they are writing. This is the source code. This is the source code already developers they wrote. Got it? Stop.